Alright, this is our new pressure chamber we just got done building, and Butch is going to run you through the controls here and show you how it works. Right now we have the lid off and off of the main chamber, and we're going to fill it with water up to near the top, and then we'll put the lid on. It's pretty well full there now. We're getting pretty near full. Butch will put the lid on. A lot of threads.
It's good.
Alright, now we're going to fill it till we see water come up into this little cap in the top. And that way we'll know we'll have all the air out of our system. And Butch has done that. Maybe he's going to add just a little bit more. Alright, now he's turned the valves off. Now the system is ready to bring the pressure up, and he just put the switch in the up pressure position. And he's setting this motor speed. And the pressure will start coming up here in a minute. Right now it's compressing the little air bubbles, but it's up. You saw the first switch come on when you saw the little red light come on below the number. That was the low pressure switch coming on. And that switch is not going to affect the motor until it's coming back down, and the pressure is on the decrease end of things. We have this, the other switch. It has two switches inside. We have the upper limit switch set at 500 psi right now. So when it gets there, it'll shut off.
Alright, tell them about the overpressure.
We have built into the system a relief valve that will relieve the pressure when it gets to 2000 psi, and it dumps any excess water over into the tank if the pressure switch for some reason should fail to turn the unit off at its switch setting.
And then down on the bottom is the little pump to fill or empty the pressure chamber.
I rubber mounted that for you guys. It's ears.
I noticed that. I was looking at that.
I took them from a automotive application and modified them into the
motor mounts, windshield wiper, motor mounts or something.
I'm not sure what it was holding. It was on the old wrecked truck.
Huh.
There we are, 510 it says. And then we have on top some switches that are used to override these pressures if we wish. And if we push this one, this will take it on up. And if we hold it until the switch goes past its window, it'll continue to run up until we manually turn it off. But I'm going to stop it at this pressure, and we'll change position back to the downside and set our motor speed up and come down with the pressure. Alright, and the lower limit switch is, the upper window side of it is 40 pounds where it turns off, and then to bring it on down to your limit switch, you can hold the manual override for the low side until the switch turns off, and you see the red light go out. And then it'll continue to run until it hits the limit switch, the low limit. And that's our starting point. And there it is. The end.